everyone, it's Yasaman again, and tonight we are going to explore one of the most famous restaurants in Tehran. It is one of the fast food restaurants which is really famous in the heart of Tehran, and I'm going to show you the process of making fast foods like sandwiches or pizzas or something like that. So if you're interested, let's go. Welcome to a day inside the fast food kitchen in Tehran, where I got a unique look behind the scenes. Today I will take you on a journey through the sights and sounds of this kitchen, where everything from sandwiches to pizza to salads is prepared with care. Let's see what goes into making some of Tehran's favorite dishes. And here is a moment for the Caesar salad. Simple yet fresh with crisp lettuce, creamy dressing, and just the right touch of crunch. It's amazing how each dish, no matter how simple, has its own place in this kitchen. Here is where sandwiches start to take shape. Each one is built with layers of flavors, bread, sauces, filling coming together in just the right balance. Watching it till happen really makes you appreciate every bite. Now we are seeing a pizza come together with dough stretched, toppings arranged, and each step adding to the final flavor. There is something satisfying about seeing each ingredient added with care, knowing it will soon be someone's delicious slice. Each station in this kitchen has its own unique purpose, whether it's slicing fresh vegetables, spreading sauce, or layering ingredients. Every movement here is a part of a process, and it's fascinating to see how everything fits together. ساندویچی شد بخور. Being here, you get a real sense of the care that goes into each order. It's not just food, it's a reflection of the people who make it. Each dish getting a bit of their attention and focus. There is something special about seeing it all come together this way. And then there is that final touch, the last sprinkle of cheese on a pizza, the drizzle of dressing on a salad. It's as if each dish gets its own signature finish before it's ready to go. These little moments brings out the character in each meal, and it's so satisfying to watch. Watching this kitchen at work gives you a new appreciation for every meal. There is a simple beauty in how each dish is prepared, each ingredient handled with care. Thanks for joining me behind the scenes here in Tehran. Until next time, I hope this glimpse into the world of fast food brings a little more flavor to your day.